I'm Alex Bailey. I write software and I grow vegetables in my backyard. I founded Growstuff in 2012.
More and more people are taking up veggie gardening all over the developed world, especially in cities. That means millions of new gardeners trying to eat and live more sustainably. People are growing food in their backyards, on balconies, and in community gardens. I started to grow my own food because I want to know where it comes from and that it hasn't been grown with environmentally damaging fertilizers and pesticides. Like a lot of people these days, I worry about food that's not local. The costs of transportation and the waste from overpackaged food are huge. I think it's important that we have alternatives to the big supermarkets. And of course, homegrown food just tastes so much better, and it's so much better for you. Like most gardeners, I'm always searching online for information. Most of the growing advice I find isn't suitable for my climate. I need local information, not something from halfway around the world.
Growstuff started when I met a guy called Federico from Mexico. He's also a software developer and a permaculturist. And he has trouble finding growing information for his local area. So he asked me if I knew of any open databases that had planting information about when to plant any kind of crop anywhere in the world.
We looked around and we couldn't find anything. Some governments release open data, but it's usually aimed at big farms. The stuff aimed at home gardeners was usually either just for one region, or else the websites had really restrictive rules about what you could use the data for.
I'm a software developer, so when I look at data, I want to build things. If that data is locked up where no one can use it, that stifles innovation.
Growstuff crowdsources information from veggie gardeners around the world. We gather data on what they plant, when and where they plant it, and how to grow it. We use this information to provide local planting advice back to our members and anyone who visits our site. Growstuff is 100% open source, and our data is also open. You can download it straight from our website and use it for any purpose, even commercially. But we want more people to use our data. We're raising funds to improve our API, which lets third-party developers use Growstuff to build apps, mashups, tools, or to do research. With your help, we'll be creating a new version of our API with more features, building demos, and running workshops for developers.
I've been working with open data since about 2007, and I think making food growing information freely available is one of the most important things we can do.
Whether you're a gardener or a software developer, or you just care about sustainable food, please support Growstuff's crowdfunding campaign.